Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is applying the distributive law. To understand the application of the distributive law, let's look at some questions. The first question says apply the distributive law and we're given the expression 4 times parentheses x minus 3. Before we go on to solve the question, let's look what the distributive law is all about. In the distributive law, if we have something like an, an expression given like this, that means that the A quantity that is present outside the parentheses is distributed to both B and C. That means this can be expanded and written as A times B plus whatever the operator is will come down here, and then A times C. That means we have distributed A amongst B and C, and then we got this as the answer. So let's apply this basic distributive law and see what the solution is for the question given. We're given 4 times x minus 3. Now as per the distributive law, 4 is first multiplied by x and then 4 is multiplied by 3. So let's do this. 4 times x minus 4 times 3. Now we carry out the multiplication. 4 times x can be written as 4x, and 4 times 3 is nothing but 12. So 4x minus 12 is the answer after the application of distributive law, which can be seen in option C. Let's try another example for better understanding. Apply the distributive law and you're given negative x plus 2. Now here we have only negative sign outside the parentheses. That means this can be also be written as negative 1 times x plus 2. Now we'll apply the distributive law. We'll multiply negative 1 with x first and then with the 2. So negative 1 times x plus negative 1 times 2. Now this remains as it is, negative x plus negative 1 times a positive 2. That is, one positive number, one negative number is multiplied. The answer is negative, and hence we get negative x. A positive multiplied by negative is a negative 2. So negative x minus 2 is the answer for this, which can be seen in option D. Let's try another question. Here we are given apply the distributive law, negative 3 parentheses negative 4x plus 2. Now the rule is clear. Negative 3 is to be distributed among negative 4x and the 2. So let's write down negative 3 times negative 4x. Then we have plus negative 3 times the positive 2. Now two negative numbers when multiplied, the answer is positive. 3 times 4 is 12 and the x as it is, plus negative 3 times 2. One negative number, one positive number. When multiplied, give a negative answer. 3 times 2 is 6. So now this is 12x. A positive times a negative is a negative, and 6. So 12x minus 6 is the final answer, which can be seen in option C. I hope the application of distributive law is clear. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.